Welcome to BrainSpark. Can you guess this flag in under 3 seconds? Put your skills to the test and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Can you name this flag? It's the flag of United States. Do you know which country this is? It's the flag of Canada. Guess the flag. It's the flag of Australia. Which country's flag is this? It's the flag of France. Do you recognize this country? It's United Kingdom. Identify this flag. It's the flag of Italy. Can you guess the country? It's the flag of Spain. Which nation uses this flag? It's the flag of Japan. Any idea whose flag this is? It's the flag of China. Do you know this one? It's India. Whose flag are we looking at? It's the flag of Brazil. Can you figure out this flag? It's Pakistan. Which country does this belong to? It's the flag of Mexico. Do you recognize this symbol? It's South Korea. Can you tell me this flag's country? It's Saudi Arabia. Do you know this nation's flag? It's the flag of Turkey. Name this country. It's South Africa. Whose flag could this be? It's the flag of Egypt. Which country is represented here? It's Singapore. Any guess for this country? It's Philippines. Which country has this flag? It's Indonesia. Can you recognize the nation? It's Vietnam. Do you know what flag this is? It's Thailand. Identify the country. It's Morocco. Can you say the name of this flag? It's the flag of Greece. Who can guess this flag? It's the flag of Chile. This flag belongs to which country? It's Argentina. Which country's pride is this flag? It's Moldova. Do you know whose flag this is? It's the flag of Qatar. Can you identify the nation? It's Uganda. Can you name this flag? It's Zimbabwe. Do you know which country this is? It's the flag of Poland. Guess the flag. It's the flag of Oman. Which country's flag is this? It's Mongolia. Do you recognize this country? It's Kyrgyzstan. Identify this flag. It's the flag of Iran. Can you guess the country? It's Hungary. Which nation uses this flag? It's Germany. Any idea whose flag this is? It's Denmark. Do you know this one? It's Azerbaijan. Write in the comments. How much you guessed? Don't forget to subscribe for more challenges.